aren't.
What is this? This just looks like a clip, Abe.
My God.
Hi, sometimes when I be playing Among Us with,
Wait, Abe, what happened?
Valkyrae them and
What?
you know, already
What happened?
my corpse
Watch that
there.
clip.
Wait.
Don't have your volume up loud.
Oh yeah, lower your volume.
Wait, why? What's wrong? I'm
Just
Just
afraid.
lower
watch
your
it.
volume.
Just watch it.
Okay, hold on, I want to pull it up on
my-
stream.
Oh no.
Is this okay to watch on stream?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay.
It's
But
so
volume
funny.
down a little, maybe.
Yeah, lower volume.
No. I like how he goes to take a sip still.
Mhm.
Wait,
Abe had scared the crap out of
spoilers.
me.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, you volley.
Hi, sometimes when I be playing Among Us with, Valkyrae them and you know, already my corpsey bear.
He said Valkyrae and them.
What the fuck? Hi, sometimes when I be playing Among Us with,
Wait, his reflexes are
Valkyrae
so
them
fast. He instantly went to try to like drink it before it spilled everywhere.
Or he's an alcoholic.
Also, did you guys notice it said Valkyrae and them? Oh, was I
Yeah,
muted?
I say that too. I usually say that.
That's what I
too.
say. I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, I'm playing with Ray and then others.
Yeah.
Oh,
right,
really?
right in them. I literally always say that.
Oh my god,